If you are working in the corporate industry, so it is very helpful to you, that is autofill function, right? If you want to continue your series and pattern into the neighboring cells in any direction, so it is very helpful to you. Let's look on the screen how it is work. I have already created some database for example, right? And I will explain with the example. For example, I take an example of Ladli Behna, right? And suppose that we signed a contract of Ladli Behna Yojana with the government, right? So we have to prepare a data in which 1,200 rupees has to given to each Ladli Behan, right? So how can do this? How can do create it? So firstly, I select it and press Alt, sorry, Control Shift and down arrow. It's select, right? And press Alt H F5. And you can select a direction according to your requirements, right? Here is down, right, up, and left. So I select a direction D. D. So here you can see data has been already filled. All data has been already filled, right? Yeah. Thank you.